In this video, we are going to explain the One Wi-Fi and band steering feature available in the ONT. What is dual band Wi-Fi? Dual band Wi-Fi ONTs provide two frequency bands. 2.4 GHz gives longer range but lower speed. 5 GHz gives higher speed but shorter range. Normally, customers see two Wi-Fi names, 2.4G and 5G, which creates confusion about which one to connect. Let's see about One Wi-Fi. One Wi-Fi is a feature that combines both bands into a single Wi-Fi name and password. The customer sees only one network and connects once. The ONT handles everything internally. Main points: single Wi-Fi name, SSID, same password, no manual selection required, easy for non-technical users. Purpose: make Wi-Fi simple and user-friendly. Next is band steering. Band steering is a smart feature that tries to connect the device to the best frequency band automatically based on signal strength. Main points: pushes device to 5 GHz when near, uses 2.4 GHz when far, focus on performance improvement. Purpose: improve speed and network efficiency. Difference between them: One Wi-Fi and band steering are not the same, but they work together. One Wi-Fi changes what the user sees, one Wi-Fi name. Band steering controls how the network behaves, which band to use. For simple understanding, One Wi-Fi easy to use. Band steering smart working. One Wi-Fi is not a new technology, it is a simplified way to manage dual band Wi-Fi. Band steering is the logic that improves performance. One Wi-Fi makes Wi-Fi easy, band steering makes Wi-Fi smart. Let's look how band steering option enabling in previous model of HG3 to 3DAC ONT. First, log in to the ONT. In this ONT, the internet configuration has already been completed and the status is showing as up. First, we will discuss how to enable the band steering option. For that, click on Network. Under Network, select 2.4 GHz and change the Wi-Fi name to any preferred name. For band steering to work, the Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password must be the same for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Here, I am setting the same name and password for both Wi-Fi bands. After that, go to WLAN Advanced. Enable the band steering option and select Prefer 5 GHz, then click Apply Changes. Now, the band steering option is enabled on this ONT. Only one Wi-Fi name will be visible. If you are within the coverage of 5 GHz, the device will automatically connect to 5 GHz for higher speed. If you move out of the 5 GHz range, it will automatically switch to 2.4 GHz for better coverage. Next, we will look at the One Wi-Fi option in the new model HG3 to 3DAC ONT with 256 MB RAM and an APC connector. To enable One Wi-Fi, there is no need to manually enable the band steering option. Once One Wi-Fi is enabled, band steering will be automatically activated. To enable One Wi-Fi, click on Network. Under Network, click on One Wi-Fi. If it is disabled, you can enable it. Then, provide a Wi-Fi name. This will be the only Wi-Fi name visible on your mobile phones and laptops after enabling this option. In the pre-shared keys section, you can set the password for this Wi-Fi. After enabling one Wi-Fi in the ONT, only one Wi-Fi name will be visible. The ONT will automatically connect your device to the best available band, 5 GHz for higher speed when you are nearby, and 2.4 GHz for better coverage when you move farther away.